Rainforest by Claire. These are all the animals in the forest. Whole big waterfall. I think this is the most beautiful waterfall in the whole forest. This is a part of the forest. I think this is pretty. This is somewhere in the room. This is a path of rocks. I think this path of rocks. Venus flytraps, they get their nutrient from animals. Campion lair, that's where tree frogs lives. American crows. American crows call sound like this. Understory lair. Understory lair, that's where leopards live. Aliens are related to the pineapple family. Fourth floor, that's where giant anteaters live.
Done. Okay, push stop.